Geothermal energy is heat developed in the Earth's core by the slow decay of naturally occurring radioactive particles. Geothermal low-temperature resources are almost everywhere a few feet underground. High-temperature resources are found mostly at the edges of tectonic plates, especially around the Ring of Fire in the Pacific Ocean. Wells are drilled to reach high-temperature resources, or pipes are laid underground filled with fluid. Some geothermal resources come out of the ground naturally, and we pipe it to where it's needed. Power plants use geothermal steam to produce electricity. Homes and businesses use hot water and steam for heat. It also has a very little effect on the environment and is a renewable resource. The Earth is made of layers including an inner core of iron, an outer core of magma, a mantle of magma and rock, and a crust. The crust is not a solid piece, but giant plates of land that move. Along the edges of the plates, geothermal resources tend to come to the surface.
There are three gratifying things about geothermal energy. One is that there are low deployment costs. Once it's made, there is no cost of fuel, only for operations and maintenance, and it creates no pollution and no waste for the environment. Geothermal energy is pretty costly at first, but it pays for itself pretty quickly. Geothermal energy can reduce emissions of greenhouse gases by not using fossil fuels. The future for geothermal energy depends on three factors: demand for energy, the inventory of available geothermal resources, and the competitive position of geothermal among the other energy sources.
Geothermal energy extracts small amounts of minerals, such as sulfur, that are removed prior to the feeding of the turbine and re-injecting the water back into the injection well. It also requires locations that have suitable subterranean temperatures within 5 kilometers of the surface. The stations create geological instability, causing earthquakes strong enough to damage buildings. The turbines are also very costly to install. Hot springs, mud pools, center terraces, and geysers can be easily damaged by the development of geothermal energy. Extracting geothermal fluids can reduce the pressure in underground reservoirs, causing the land to sink. It also rises the levels of arsenic, mercury, lithium, and boron into rivers because of the underground contact between hot fluids and rock. It also rises the CO2 level in the air.